Okay, this is the indoor air handler, HVAC, for our heat pump system. We're in the upper attic, and what have we got here? That is a very attractive zone control. How about that? Is that nice or what? We also got air leak right there in the plenum. I'm not seeing a care and use manual. Alright. Our primary drain line is insulated. It looks like it's a shallow trap though. Some manufacturers are okay with that. I don't know. I know that some aren't. So we've got a shallow trap right there. This, when you come up the stairs on the right hand side, be careful. This is where the air filter is, 20 by 25 by 4, I think I remember. And you want to replace this as soon as you move in, so you have a baseline for maintenance. And you can tell this is very dirty. Very dirty. 20 by 25 by 4. It's like a couple suitcase buckles right there. And you come up here and just, watch your balance, your equilibrium. Okay. So, coming on up. This is a fresh air induction vent coming in for a fresh air exchange, environmental type thing right there. We want that. We want that. And here it is. Oh, I'm going to get the manufacturer's label on that. You want to know. This is don't use it. And they're not. Don't use it during construction because it might be plugged in. There's the control wires right there. Right there, the control wires. It's not getting any signal. So, let's see if I can multitask here. Keep you with me. And there we go. Alright. We like to be multitaskers. Now I want to show you how I get down. I'm going to try not to fall. It's kind of narrow here. It's supposed to be 24 inches continuous to the indoor air handler. I'm not sure if this wholly meets the intent of the code. This door is already insulated. See here? But somebody's got an insulation box that goes over it. This is the light switch. It should be labeled light. Should be. See? So what we learned we don't have a care and use manual. We learned we got an air leak. We learned that we got a shallow P-trap, a dirty air filter. And we learned that our fresh air exchange doesn't work. That's what we learned. Doesn't have the control wires aren't hooked up to it. Going on down. That's the attic ladder into the upper attic. There's going to be some deja vu. Sagging air duct because the webbing is broken. Well, it's probably sagging regardless. Sagging air duct, kinked air duct, broken webbing.